Welcome to Stevie's World UK. Today I'm in London on Bath Road near Heathrow Airport. So today the Premier Inn hotel and room tour are part of my world. So this Premier Inn is literally about 10 minutes away from Heathrow Airport Terminal 3 by Uber on this occasion. So before I go and explore the room, I'm going to take you into the lobby area and show you what's on offer. So come with me and let's take a look. So this hotel is my choice of accommodation before my flight to Orlando, Florida in the morning. So come with me and let's take a look on what this particular Premier Inn has to offer. Checking into the hotel gives you two options, one at the reception desk and the second being the self-service terminal. A traditional Costa coffee outlet is there for all your coffee needs, as well as an alternative to the restaurant's full English breakfast. You can eat, drink and relax in the hotel sports bar, and vending machines are on offer for that first holiday treat and that travel essential item you forgot to pack. So my room is on the second floor. There is a lift to each one, so come with me and let's check out the room itself. So as you can see, it is a large spacious room with one double bed, a full-size mirror and a large desk in the center of the room, complete with a standard TV, telephone, menu information, a hairdryer, and over in the corner you have your tea and coffee making facilities should you not wish for the Costa option. In the corner there is plenty of luggage storage space and a hotel safe. Now you'll find with Premier Inn that the earlier you book, the cheaper the room is. This particular room cost me £39 for the night, and considering that it is a one night stay, it is an ideal price. So on the face of it, this is a standard branded Premier Inn room that you'd come to expect, with the same facilities and the quality standards that you'd get in all the other Premier Inn hotels. Now just off into the corner of the room you have the bathroom facilities, complete with both bath and shower, toilet and wash basin. Facilities also include a shaver socket and toiletries such as hand soap, shampoo and body wash from a soap dispenser. Towels are also provided, and the standard of the bathroom is exactly what you'd come to expect from a Premier Inn. To eat in the hotel you can order room service or go down to the Time restaurant. There is a kids menu available with a meal deal, starters and sharers, a selection of burgers, steaks and grills, the classics, the hot ones, pizzas, lighter bites, the sides as you'd come to expect, and a selection of desserts and hot drinks. To finish my tour of this hotel, I've opted to eat in the restaurant, and this is how it looks. A full selection of wines and beers and soft drinks are on offer. I've opted for the cheddar cheese and flat mushroom starter and gammon steak with egg and pineapple with a side order of onion rings. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Stevie's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.